Is your cooktop looking a little worse for wear? In this video, I'll show you how to give it a quick and easy refresh by replacing the cooktop plate. Let's start by turning off the gas valve and electricity to the cooktop. Now, let's remove all the burners from the cooktop. Remember the placement of the burners before removing them. We'll need to put them back in the same spots later. Now, let's remove the screws that hold the cooktop in place together. Once the screws are out, we can carefully remove the cooktop plate. Let's install the new plate and make sure it's properly seated. With the new plate in place, let's tighten the screws back in place. Finally, let's put the burners back on the cooktop. Almost there. Now that the new plate is in, let's get the power flowing again. Time to turn on the gas and electricity. Safety first. Natural gas can be dangerous. It has a noticeable odor like rotten eggs. If you ever smell gas in your home, here's what to do. Immediately turn off the gas valve we just reconnected, and don't hesitate to call a professional to diagnose the issue. Once everything's back together, let's test it to verify proper operation. The burners work fine. Thanks for watching. If you need this service for your cooktop, you're invited to visit gomaster.pro and find a professional. Available in 33 countries, including US and Canada.